Hey guys, Keegan here from Audata to give you a look at the new Audata scheduler interface. It's a little bit different, but I think it's a lot better. It lets you break up your schedule by different shows and it lets you schedule liners and cool stuff like that. So this is a really quick tutorial video to get you up to speed with it. So this is the new Audata dashboard, and to get to schedule, we click schedule in the top menu. This is going to look a little bit different to what you previously saw when you clicked on schedule. Now you see a layout of the current week. You can navigate the weeks using the back and forward week button at the top of the screen. And it shows the different days of the week in different columns. And then it breaks up those columns by the different shows in your schedule. And inside those shows, you can see the different schedule items that we have that we've logged in here. So they're color coded, as you can see across the top. Blue items are liners, yellow items are contests, and purple items are attachments such as PDF logs or things like that. You can filter what you see by clicking on any of these at the top of the screen to show just what you need. Let's have a look at how we add things to the schedule. So we're going to start with a brand new week. Let's click forward to next week. You can see there's nothing scheduled here. I'm going to show you the example of how we would schedule the Fox Pop quiz tactic, which we're running here at Fox FM. It is a cash variable tactic, which means it's a different amount of money that can be given away every time we play. And it occurs once in the breakfast show and then twice across the workday, once in mornings with myself and then in the afternoons with Aaron. So here's our empty schedule, and I'm going to add the Fox Pop quiz the first time it appears, which is going to be Monday morning with Fifi, Dave, and Fev. So I'm going to come up here and click on the little plus button next to Fifi, Dave, and Fev to add a new schedule item. Then from the type drop down, you can choose between liner, contest, or attachment. I'm going to select contest. Enter the quantity. This is how many times you do this contest in that specific shift. So in the breakfast show, we only do it once. I'm going to enter 1. Then the prize type. This will be pretty familiar if you've used Audata Promo Cloud before. I'm going to select cash variable. And then you can add a campaign. So I'm going to choose Fox Pop Quiz, like so, and click Save. As soon as I do that, you can see our new item appears right there in the scheduler. What's cool is that you can move the schedule item around just by dragging and dropping it. So you click on it and drag, and you can drop it anywhere on the schedule that you like, even on different days. Let's pop it back to Monday in Fifi, Dave, and Fev. When we mouse over the item, you'll see we get 2 icons at the right. The trash can is the delete icon, and this button is the clone icon. You can click it, and every time you click it, it creates a new duplicate of the item you created. So I'm going to create a few of those, and then just drag them into the different shows. So one in my shift and then one in the afternoon. And you can even drag them into different days. So I can schedule them across the entire workday like so. However, if you prefer to, you can still do things the old-fashioned way. We have the previous bulk contest scheduler interface still in here. So if you need to do that, go up to options and click schedule contests. And you'll get this familiar interface. We can click the campaign and then select where we want to drop it in our grid. So we'll do one in 8 a.m. and then one in 10 a.m. and then one in 1 p.m. We'll select cash variable and click create contest. That's now been saved. So when we come back to schedule and have a look at next week, you can see they've all been created. I have to drag these ones into the right show. And you can change any individual item by double-clicking on it and edit just this item. It won't change the others. What's cool is that now you can also schedule items that aren't contests. You can also schedule liners and add attachments to shows. So, for example, let's go to today. It's currently the 27th, which is here. So you can see I've got a pop quiz scheduled, but let's say I want to add a liner. So I'm going to click on this, the plus button, and I'm going to choose liner. Simply select the liner and enter how many times you need to deliver the liner in that show. Let's say 5. Hit save, and there it is. You can double click on it to change it at any time. And you can also add attachments as well. So if I want to do that, all I have to do, let's say I've got a PDF music log that I want to put in here to be able to have quick access to that from Audata Studio. So click the plus button, choose attachment, and now you can either upload a file or you can just drag and drop. So in this case, I've got a music log here. I'm just going to drag and drop that onto that grey box. And that's attached it. Hit save, and there it is. So now when I open this up in Audata Studio, you can see my shift here today has the pop quiz that we created. It has 5 liners of R&B Club Night. And it's got the music log that we just attached as well.